There are many reasons why workforce planning and development is important. We've covered some of those in the modules before this. But you can see here that there's a summary that includes the fact that in order to attract, train, retain, promote and pass on the skills within our business to make sure that we have the right people in the right place at the right time, delivering their job roles effectively, productively, profitably and safely, we must conduct workforce planning. We want to reduce our turnover rates, we want to increase our retention rates, we also want to increase innovation within our business to make sure that tasks are constantly being improved, that our efficiency is always and constantly being built upon. We want to make sure that we're an employer of choice. We want to make sure that training isn't being repeated or done over and over again. There's nothing more frustrating than that. As much as we also need to make sure that we are completely on top of refresher training, of licensing, of changes in legislation, to make sure that all of our staff are operating to a standardized set of procedures and systems, and to make sure that essentially our business is achieving the strategic objectives that it's actually set itself out to achieve in the first place. To add to a softer side of all of that, one of the other things that's vitally important is to make sure that our staff feel valued and to make sure that they feel like they have a long-term future with your organisation. As I've stated before, many types of research that have been conducted on this talk about how salary is actually not what keeps employees with you. That actually one of the number one things that keeps employees with you is the fact that they feel like they have a place. They feel like they are valued and have value to give to that particular organisation. That they feel like that they have a long-term career that's going to continuously progress and able to use their skills, challenge them, and so that they have something to contribute to the company. By conducting workforce planning and keeping trainees or staff's skills aligned to their job role and the ever-changing demands of our industries and our workplaces, they will feel motivated, they will be more engaged, and they will be much more innovative about finding new, better and faster ways to do their job. A great outcome for any employer.